Hi. If you saw my last video, wasn't my last video, the second to last, the first, it's here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you saw my first video about how I pack for a long trip in just a carry-on, you may remember me saying my new gorgeous Tumi suitcase did not match my existing backpack that I always use for travel, and it was driving me crazy. Let's go back and look at that, shall we? This backpack, which is by Briggs & Riley, it used to match perfectly my Travel Pro suitcase. You can see, I'm not going to bother to put it on the trolley part. See how the colors perfectly match? I love that. Doesn't quite match. This is literally killing me. Okay, I'm going to have to get over it, but time will tell if I actually do. So I have traveled, I think, twice since that video. And, you know, you got to know yourself. And I clearly do. It was driving me crazy. I really, really wanted the matching backpack. And I said in my last video that I thought that the capacity of the Tumi backpack was smaller than my Briggs & Riley. But in the airport, there was a Tumi store, and I went in, and unfortunately for me, I saw the Tumi brief pack. And I knew I was going to do it. My son owed me some money, and when he paid me back, I went on the website and I ordered it. And today, I'm going to unbox it with you. So if you want to see that, hang around. Trusty X-Acto knife. This has been killing me. I'm one of those people, as soon as something comes, I have to unpack it. And I wanted to wait until I did this video. So I am truly not pretending to unbox this. I really, really am. And Tumi has no idea I'm doing this. This is not sponsored. If only it were and they had given it to me. That would be nice, right? Okay. Anyway, so this is my honest opinion. And my honest, just everything. Okay, here's the box. And here is, ta-da! Okay. This is the Tumi brief pack. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, this is the Alpha brief pack. And it's got all these little thingamajiggers on it. I had, of course, to have it monogrammed. You can see on here my initials. Okay, let's take this guy off. And then we'll go and look through what's inside, and we'll transfer what's in my current backpack. Okay, here it is unpacked, and it is beautiful. By the way, that first video I made, I just did it for fun. I thought really only my friends would watch it, and it's gotten over 5,000 views, so I want to just thank the people who've watched it. I'm sure you're not watching it again now, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited and overwhelmed by that. I'm a physician turned dog trainer, and really I have a YouTube channel on dog training. So that's where most of my videos go. But this is just kind of my place to do the occasional thing that makes me happy. I love organizing things. I'm kind of an obsessive organizer. So I would love to do more stuff like that. Just about how to minimize, just go through things so you don't have a lot of clutter. So if you want to see some stuff about that, let me know. So let's do this. Let's take my current situation, which you can see here, hopefully. I'm going to take this Briggs & Riley backpack and put everything from here, hopefully, into here. Okay. Now, first step, water bottle. Now, I'm seeing this for the first time with you, so I'm not sure which is the better side to put it in, but we have two sides. Since this is an unpacking, I'm going to show you. This backpack has two sides. Very deep. I really like that. When I was at the store at the airport, they let me take the stuff from my backpack, which I had packed, because I was at the airport, and try and see if it would fit. I think this is the better pocket maybe for the water bottle, but either side, I can always play around with it. But that fits, so I'm going to put my water bottle in here for now. Okay. There is a pocket back here for a laptop. It's padded. It's really nice. And it's also pretty deep. It's roomy. You could definitely fit the laptop and some other things in there, which I will do later. Okay. In this big middle pocket, look at all that room. I love this. Look at how beautiful. Okay, so there's a big it just kind of comes out almost like it were an accordion fold, you know? So it's really, really deep. In here is, I don't know if you can tell, a place for pens. I guess like whatever you want in this little pocket. And then there's a second pocket that's almost the whole way down here. Really nice. So what I put in here generally is my makeup bag. I put my makeup brushes, snacks, and my airplane, what's it called? Airplane pockets. If you've never seen this, if you didn't see my last video, this guy goes over the tray table. So you put it over and then you close the tray table and then you have these pockets, all of these pockets for the flight. You can put your laptop, whatever you want in here. It's awesome. I can't tell you how many people who were sitting next to me on the plane go, what is that? Where'd you get it? So it's just from Amazon. Anyway, so what I do is I preload it with all the things like my chargers and my earbuds and snacks and wipes, my cords, you name it. I already have it. And then I fold it over itself like that. And then I just put that in here. So that's going to go in there. And this easily, I mean, I have a ton more room, but I'm just going to put that stuff in there for now. And then in this pocket here, also, it goes pretty deep. I just put my things like my little travel wallet, business card holder, a little tiny mirror. How cute is this? Hold on a second. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then, of course, a mask. I had stopped wearing a mask, but then I got COVID mid-December, and I was just getting over it, still coughing, but just getting over it, and then I got sick again. I'm just getting over that, so I'm wearing it. I did wear it on the plane. I think I got sick after I got home. This is my little thing to hold my phone around my wrist for when I'm traveling. I don't usually always wear it when I'm traveling, but if I'm doing like a lot of sightseeing, I need my phone as a camera, but I need to have my hands free. I love that little kind of bracelet. Bunch of pens. I will put these in the other section, actually, in the pens later. And then my travel list, which I have on my computer, but I have one printed. And I think I will keep that also in this pocket. So I'm going to go back to this area here, keep that list there, and keep my pens in here. I'll just keep a couple pens for now, and then I'll play around with it later. Great. Okay, good. So far, so good. It's fitting everything like a dream. I also have in my other section here, glasses. I'll put those in this other side pocket here. Those are sunglasses. Okay. We're down to this last and final pocket. So I've got just kind of a little bag for the plane, Advil, tissues, things like that. I'm going to put that in this front section, the lower front section here. Okay, put that in here. Wow, easy. Okay. And then this is my charging brick. So heavy, but I really need it. And then this is my travel cup. I was saying in my last video, when you go to Europe, they always give you those really tiny coffee cups. I'm not a coffee drinker. I drink diet hot chocolate, but I really like to have a big cup. So this one goes all the way. It expands all the way. And then it has a little sleeve to keep your hands from getting too hot. Cute, huh? And then it folds completely flat. Really slim line. And then there. So I'm going to keep that in here too. That fits really well. Okay. I'll zip that up. Wow. Okay. Looks like I still have another whole section that I didn't even use yet. So this bottom part, see, what would I put in here? I didn't take the paper out. Okay, so this could be, I guess, for more papers. I don't know. I'll have to play around with that. Find some interesting use for it. I think that's everything. So now, let's check it out on the luggage and see if it makes me happy. This is the first time I'm seeing this too, so let's wheel it out. Let me put these guys on so it looks pretty. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's wheel it out. And then let's put it on. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, now that's a set. That is a set. This makes me so happy. Look how pretty. Okay, so once again, this is called the Tumi Alpha Brief Pack. It has an amazing capacity. Does it say on here? Let me see. I don't think so, but you can look it up on their website and it'll tell you exactly what the dimensions are. It weighs 6 pounds, so it's super, super light. And this is the color anthracite. And I think it's stunning. Black luggage is black luggage, whatever. It all looks the same to me. But this color is so special. I think it's so special. So there's my unboxing of the Tumi Alpha Brief Pack. And it made my day. So thank you. I won't thank really Tumi because I bought it with my own money, but thanks for making it, Tumi, and thank you for watching. If you would like to see videos from me, if you'd like to see dog training videos, check out my dog training channel, which I'll link down below. If you have a dog, I'm a positive dog trainer. I make some really helpful videos, and my mission in life is to make dogs smile. If you want to see any other kind of organizing videos, I can do organizing my makeup drawers, whatever you want. Let me know. This is not a travel channel because there are some great travel channels you can follow. Travel Tips by Lori. There are people who this is what they do. This is their specialty. So listen to them. But I do travel quite frequently, so I think I'm pretty good at it. So I really appreciate your watching me, and it's a pleasure again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.